A hotel housekeeping staff member smiling and preparing eco-friendly cleaning supplies. Welcome to Housekeeping Monitor channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainability in hotel housekeeping. We'll explore the fantastic initiatives, eco-friendly practices, and clever tips to reduce environmental impact. Let's get started. When it comes to hotel housekeeping, sustainability is key. Hotels are embracing eco-friendly cleaning products to minimize their environmental footprint. These products are biodegradable, non-toxic, and made from natural ingredients. By using these products, hotels not only ensure a clean and healthy environment for guests but also protect our planet. So, next time you travel, look for hotels that prioritize sustainability in their housekeeping practices. Energy-saving techniques are another crucial aspect of sustainable hotel housekeeping. Hotel staff are trained to turn off lights, electronics, and air conditioning in unoccupied rooms, saving energy and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Remember, even small actions like turning off lights when you leave a hotel room can make a big difference in conserving energy and fighting climate change. Recycling efforts play a vital role in sustainable hotel housekeeping. Hotels are implementing comprehensive recycling programs, ensuring proper disposal of waste and promoting a circular economy. From paper and plastic to glass and organic waste, hotels are taking steps to divert materials from landfills. As guests, we can support these efforts by utilizing recycling bins provided in our rooms and common areas. Hotels are going above and beyond to reduce their environmental impact. They're implementing various initiatives like water conservation programs, renewable energy installations, and even community engagement projects. Some hotels have implemented linen reuse programs, where guests can choose to reuse their towels and sheets, reducing water and energy consumption. Others support local conservation organizations and engage with the community to create a positive environmental impact. So, the next time you stay at a hotel, keep sustainability in mind. Look for hotels that prioritize eco-friendly practices, energy-saving techniques, recycling efforts, and community initiatives. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a greener future. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to Housekeeping Monitor channel for more sustainable living content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.